Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete all TikTok messages at once. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and go to your Inbox tab. And here you'll see all your messages conversations. And now, tap and hold one conversation and a menu will appear. Select Delete to remove the entire chat. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a built-in option to delete all messages at once. So, you need to manually delete each chat one by one. If you want to clear everything quickly, another option is to log out for your account and create a new one. But remember, your old messages will be gone permanently, and that's how you delete all TikTok messages on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.